Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 74. EONNI. EONNI. This is composed of two syllables. The first syllable is on, and the second syllable is ni. Pronounce it with me. EONNI. EONNI. Again, our word for today is EONNI, and this is used to say sister if you are a younger sister. Again, EONNI means sister. How do you write EONNI in Hangul? This is composed of two syllables. For the first syllable on, we need to draw first a no sound or placeholder iyang, followed by an o character, followed by a nian character. And then for the second syllable ni, we need to draw first a nian character, followed by an e character. And then we just need to combine the hangul for each of these two syllables to form the hangul of the word EONNI. Again, that's how you write the syllable on and the syllable ni, and you just have to combine it to form the hangul of the word EONNI. And with that, you've just learned EONNI. Now let's proceed to our previous 10 words recap. As of now, our previous 10 words are words number 64 to 73. But don't forget, our word for today is EONNI, which means sister, and this is used by a younger sister. The first word for our review is hyung. This is a term for brother used by a younger brother. Next word is oppa. This is another term for brother, and this time this is used by a younger sister. Next word is 어머니. This is a noun which means mother. Next word is 아버지, and this is the Korean term for father. Next word is 나중에, and this is used to say later. Next word is 걷다. This is a verb which means to walk. Next word is Araso. This is used to say, alright, I understand, in an informal manner. Next word is alta. This is a verb which means to know or understand. Next word is Gwaenchana. This is a formal way of saying it's okay. And the last word for our review is word number 64, Gwaenchana. This is an informal way of saying it's okay. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time, only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.